What is up, everybody? How's it going? If you haven't seen, if you've been living under a rock, Dancingmoto, who, I'm just gonna say this right off, preface all this, right? I don't know him, I've never talked to him, I don't watch his content because grown guys dancing in a gas station parking lot in a helmet, it's not my thing, right? And to him, it works. Last time, or when I checked, it was something like 930,000 followers on TikTok, so like, for him it works. And then, so whatever, you know, content aside, it's fine. But if you didn't see, recently he had a pretty big crash, and this is where I'm just going to be the realist of this, right? And say actions have consequences, and sometimes those consequences are very expensive and very painful. If you missed this from Slammed Enough Gatlinburg, as far as, you know, what's out there, what I can find, whatever, you know, I don't know why it happened or, you know, what started this, but there's a video from his helmet going around. So something either he posted it or someone close to him posted it, running from the police, getting boxed in, and then run over. So who knows why he started to run? That's irrelevant. The action was he ran from the police and ended up getting boxed in, crashed, pitted, whatever, however you want to interpret it, right? And now this is Georgia, and I'm from the Northeast, and even I know you don't run from GSP. Whether you want to take the moral ground of they shouldn't chase bikers because it's unsafe or whatever, they do. GSP chases. Even I know that. I've never been to Georgia. I just know that that's the overarching, like, thing. If you're a GSP officer, you chase. And to me, you don't run from them. Like, and I know everybody has their stance on it of, you know, oh, I don't stop for cops or whatever, you know, right? Sometimes if you get caught speeding, you just pay the price, and it's a lot easier than what's happening here, right? Now, I don't know why he ran, whether it was super speeding or illegal plates or no plates or whatever the reasoning was that he ran, right? The action was he ran. The consequence of it is he ended up getting crashed, hit, whatever you want to call it, and then run over, and now has one, massive medical bills, I'm assuming, and also some probably pretty big legal problems, because not only are you going to get pinned with whatever the reason was that they're trying to stop you to begin with, whether it was speeding, no plate, whatever the reason that they're going to justify this, right? Above that, they also now have you for, you know, felony evading and everything under the sun, you know, just anything that they can throw onto this, they're going to now. Now, again, I'm not saying that the cops are right for crashing him. I'm not saying the cops are right for any of this. But I will say, if you're on a bike and you run, there is consequences to your actions. If those cops catch you, there's going to be problems. Now, again, I don't know him. I've never talked to him. I don't watch his content. So this is not me picking on him or specifically, you know, trying to whatever. I'm just saying this is a perfect example of, you know, when you do things, there are ends of it that aren't always good. And like, yes, you're gonna have the people saying, oh, he totally could have gotten away, he didn't ride fast enough, but whatever. Like, if you watch the video, it's pouring rain, he's on a bike, so obviously you can't, you know, you're losing corner speed right there from the rain and whatever. And it's just, to me, like, if you had just stopped, at worst your bike's getting impounded, right? More than likely. You're getting a big ticket and your bike's getting impounded. You're costing yourself money. Now, you've cost yourself money and legal troubles and injuries and everything else. And this is the part that gets me, right? I've had 2 crashes in my time of riding. Now, obviously, he has a pretty big following. And with that following, whether it was him, somebody he knows, family member, whatever, there is now a GoFundMe set up to help pay for his medical bills and whatever else, legal fees, whatever they're going to use it for, right? All I can think is other people shouldn't be paying for your mistakes. your actions, your consequences. Like, this is not me, again, picking on him or anything to do with it, but like, if you create the problem, you should not have other people pay for the fix of it. Now, again, I don't know the guy, never probably will meet, talk to you, that's fine. I hope he heals 100%. I hope he's perfectly fine after all this, you know. I hope there's no lingering issues. I hope everything's good, whatever. I wish no ill will on him at all. But I also don't think that your stupid action of running from the police should be paid for by other people because you have a following or you're famous or whatever, right? I don't know. And you're perfectly fine to go and, you know, donate if you want. That's not up to me, and I'm assuming a ton of people will, but I don't get it. Like, to me, I don't know.